How to open a dispute for trade assurance order. Hi everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today we are providing you with a step-by-step tutorial that we can follow up in order to do so. So let's just dive right into the video and get started. First of all, obviously we need to go over to alibaba.com and we can start up a dispute. So for that we can click on this profile picture icon in the top right corner, and from the following section select the option of orders or my orders. Find that option there. After that you can find the order that you want to dispute, and it must be a trade assurance order. And you can click on the option called, or you can just go over and click on open dispute or file a claim next to the order, and we can fill in the dispute form. You can select a reason for the refund, the dispute, the description, the details about it, attach evidence as well, and photos and videos documents, and you can submit the dispute, and Alibaba will review your case and the supplier can respond. If not resolved, Alibaba may also mediate, and you will be getting updates via the email or in the message center. And that's it. So that is it everybody. For now you can follow out this method. So we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more.